Hello you guys. So I'm going to do a video that was requested. So as you can tell by the title, I will be talking about waxing supplies, the things that you need to wax, and then I'll also do I decided to add a little demonstration on setup. Don't mind me, I did a chemical peel, which I don't know if I will have that video already released like in my vlog. So my face is going through a healing stage. You can see it peeling a little bit, but anywho, yeah, so I'm going to show you guys how to set up for a wax client, the supplies that you need, and things of that nature. So just a quick video, it won't be too long, but I hope this helps, and I hope this is exactly what you were looking for those who did request this video. So I'm gonna jump right into it, and I will list everything that I do use in terms of wax supplies, even my setup, anything that you may have a question to that you're looking for in terms of exactly what I have. And if you are new here, please subscribe if you don't already know from my former videos. But I am trying to get to 10,000 subscribers this year, and I would really appreciate it if you help me reach that goal. I'm gonna continue to invest into my YouTube and you guys, and so I just hope that you just help me and invest in me. But yeah, so I would love for you to be a part of my journey. So subscribe, turn on your notifications, hit that little bell, and let's get right into it. Okay, so as you can see, I have my wax cart here, and this is just what I'll demonstrate for you. I'm not actually waxing. I may do a video. If you want a video like that, actually just let me know below, comment, let me know if you want to actually see me wax. And I will do a video like that, but you got to let me know what you want to see. So I'm going to fix my bed and everything to show you guys what I do. So the first thing I'm going to do, obviously, is sanitize my hands. Make sure you wash your hands before this and then sanitize after. Most important part, y'all. Then we're going to grab a fresh pair of gloves and put on our hands, because you do not need to be waxing or even setting up if you don't have a pair of gloves on. Also, a tip, always go a size up, because your hands will start to get sweaty, or it's just maybe you have oily hands or whatever the case is, and it'll be hard to put them on. So get a size up in gloves. Then I grab some Lucicide spray, and I just like to just respray my area down, just to be for absolute certain that it's clean, disinfected, sanitized. And then I'll grab some wax paper to lay down, to be sanitary. You always want to lay down paper, or you want to lay down the actual wax kind of like topper that they have for massage beds. It's like a I can't think of the material, but I will put it in the description box. So one reason I have this black cover over my massage table, which I'll put in the description box as well, is because I have a mattress topper, like foam mattress topper, to make the bed more comfortable for my clients, so they're not just laying on a hard black leather bed. So it just makes it easier to just keep the covers interchangeable. Like just buy a bunch of them. They're really inexpensive, and just constantly clean those, but keep it covered and covering the mattress topper, and then just placing the wax cloth over that, and then just keeping it disinfected, so they're not laying on the, like I said, the just bare leather against that sheet. It would be kind of like the waxing sheet, it would be kind of thin and uncomfortable, so nah. Then of course you would like to supply some wipes and a towel for your client to cover themselves if they're getting like a below the waist intimate waxing. And of course the wipes are sanitary. You always want to give them the option to clean themselves. And you either step out the room or use something to cover them up, like a partition. And yeah, so I'm going to grab this dental bibs. I don't know if you guys watch my room tour, but I rave about these dentist dental bibs. Then I'm going to grab my Satin Smooth container that is just convenient and quick and easier for me to grab my waxing sticks out of really quick. It definitely is a lifesaver. I love this. I didn't think I was going to use it that much, but I do actually. And I just place them out on top of the dental bib, so it's sanitary. And I'm just going to place the rest of the supplies that you will need next to it. And it's just easier to just kind of like grab. Everything is right there. You can grab and, you know, continue service. It'll make service a lot faster for you. Then you want to grab a few pairs of extra gloves and set them next to your other supplies, because if you get wax on your gloves, it's just easier to have an extra pair right there for you to switch into. Then you guys will grab a fresh, clean, disinfected pair of scissors and tweezers. And that's just in case you need to trim the hair, which most likely you will have to use either one of those in your service. So now you have your three main things, which is the cleanser that you're going to use, or the antiseptic, your aloe for, you know, cooling and, you know, kind of treating the area, and then your oil or moisturizer at the end, and then your cornstarch, you know, to keep that area dry, which you put on after the cleanser or antiseptic. Then you are going to grab your cotton swabs or exfoliating pads or cotton pads, whatever you call them. And you use these to put the solution actually on your client. And you see I set them on the sanitary dental bib. So this is what everything should look like as far as setup goes. You can face your client whichever way is more comfortable to you in terms of supplies and equipment. And of course, anything that they touch in terms of, you know, like that you're going to reuse and not throw away, like these wipes per se. I will wipe down with a Cavicide wipe, which I'll show you in a second, or sanitize it and just use, you know, like a regular paper towel or something like that. So I'm just demonstrating. That's what I would do after it is touched. And that's after each person, no matter if they use it or not, but because, you know, it's kind of exposed now, I still will sanitize it. But these are the Cavi wipes I was talking about. And you guys, these are my holy grail. I wipe everything in my spa down with Cavi wipes. I will link this below. They're amazing. Amazing. Trash can near you, of course. It's way better to have it right there, because you're going to throw away. If you're doing it correctly, you're going to throw away each stick. So you're going to be using the trash can a lot while you're waxing. So for facial or smaller, I would say, parts that I'm waxing, I use Star Peel Blue wax or Sarah Peel Blue wax. They both worked really great. I've noticed with like small areas. So I love it, love it, love it. I play with wax. I don't know why. It's just satisfying, the consistency, especially when it turns from the beads, you know, to like the full-on liquid. It's pretty satisfying. And right here, I have my new favorite, white chocolate. It is made by Ital Wax. I will put it in the description box, so please go check it out. I love this wax for like bigger areas. So for more of the body waxing, it picks up hair like no other. And well, my experience, for me, it has worked tremendously. And I am going to show you a little bit. I thought I wasn't, but I end up showing you. So I'm gonna put it on my arm and just kind of show you how smooth it is and how great it picks up hair. Like even fine hair, because you guys know fine hair is so hard to wax. It's just like hard for the wax to pick it up sometimes, but this does perfectly. So I'm going to show you. You guys see how smooth it is and flexible and just easy to like really like get in the hair. Because you know, the easier it is to work with the wax, the better it picks up, because you're able to kind of like really smooth it over that hair and pick that hair up. So this is one of those waxes. So watch how it does. Oh, and a tip, you can use the end, well, once it dries a little bit more, but you can use the end of the stick that you use to create the lip if you feel like you didn't create a big enough lip when you laid the wax down. That's just a tip. You guys, look how good it picks up. And my arm hair has really a lot of fine hairs, and as you can see in the wax, and it picked up really good. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, or I don't know, whatever you want to call it, educational video, esthetician video. But again, I hope you enjoyed it. So please like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. I am definitely trying to reach my goal of 10,000 subscribers this year. So please be help to me. Help me help you. Yeah, so thank you guys, and I'll see you next time.